everyone, welcome back to the studio. Today, I'm doing something I recommend to every artist, a recoloring. I'm taking one of my favorite designs and giving it a completely new vibe. I printed my Catrina illustration on opalina paper, which is similar to Bristol. For the coloring, I'm using my trusty Ohuhu markers and some new ones I'm testing out. You can find my full supply list in my Amazon storefront. And if you want to follow along, this exact line art illustration or coloring page is available for download on my Ko-fi shop. The original version of this piece was made with watercolors and had blue hair. But that's the beauty of scanning your line work. It gives you a second chance to play. This time, I'm going for bold pink in her hair. It's a great way for designers to test different palettes without any pressure. For the flowers, I'm sticking to blues and purples. When working with alcohol markers, I like to stay within the same color family to get those smooth transitions. It's all about the layers and finding that perfect blend. As the sun goes down, the vibe changes, and so does the light. I love to work at night. There's really no pressure, it's just me and my art. Having the right tools is a must. I'm using my trusty desk lamp that I got from Amazon years ago. It makes a huge difference for night sessions. Remember, art should be your sanctuary. So take your time and enjoy the process. Now let's bring in those deep blues for the face details and the background. This contrast is what's going to make the pink hair really pop. moving on to the face. I'm keeping the makeup consistent with the blue theme, but adding subtle skin tones and a bold lip to tie everything together. When coloring with alcohol markers, I always recommend starting from light to dark. It's the safest way for everyone, but especially for beginners, to build depth without oversaturating the paper too quickly. The frame defines the whole piece. I'm finishing up the background here to create a solid foundation for the final details. Time for details. I'm using a ruler for clean lines, but feel free to go freehand or even try acrylic markers or colored pencils. Art is all about experimenting. And here is a new Catrina, from blue watercolor to pink alcohol markers. I love how it turned out. If you want to color your own version, head over to my Ko-fi shop and download the digital page. See you in the next video, and in the meantime, keep creative, keep safe, and always be kind. I'll see you soon. Bye! Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!